This bread shortcakes, you can see how it looks. Actually, it's really nice when you look at it, and it's so delicious. And I hope you will enjoy. Come, we'll all get together and see how it is done. For the bread cakes, I need the filling. So we will do the filling first. What I will do is put a little oil first. I will use a little cumin seed, just a little bit of cumin seed. Then I will use finely chopped onions, garlic, green chilies and the curry leaves. And we will stir fry this. Stir fry. Now while we are frying this, if I use a little bit of salt, it gets fried fast and the color will come. And I have the tomato, 1 tomato. Now what I am going to do is, I am not stir frying a lot, just fry slightly, stir fry, take it, and what I am going to do is add a little bit of pepper into this, chili flakes, mix it. I have off the cooker. Put it into a bowl. And what I am going to do is hard boiled eggs. 2 hard boiled eggs I have chopped, that I am putting it into this. Mix it nicely. Little bit of mustard cream also I am putting. This is going to be the filling for us. Something different to the normal preparation, so you can see how it comes. See, it's a beautiful preparation. Pepper, salt, chili pieces I have put. That's all we want. We don't need any other ingredients. Right. We added a little cumin seed also while tempering. That's all. This is the preparation. The bread. Now I have taken the bread, cut all the crust. All 4 sides take the crust because we need only the center portion. Nicely take the center portion. Watch carefully how I am going to do it. We need stock also. Either chicken stock or you can have vegetable stock. We will use the vegetable stock. So what we are going to do is, to make the vegetable stock, one day I have to explain to you how to make the vegetable stock also. But still I can just quickly say onions, green chilies, curry leaves, potatoes and carrot, cabbage, like that, all the vegetables you can put, and about 1.5 to 2 cups of water. You nicely boil, mash, strain and take the water. That is the stock. If you want, you can use a little chicken also into that and use it. Then it becomes a chicken stock. Otherwise, it can be only the vegetable stock. Vegetable stock is very nice. Pepper, salt, all that you have to use. Now, I will soak this slightly. This bread I am soaking in the stock. I have strained the stock and taken. So we have to, I have already done for you, but anyway I am just showing you how I did this. This will take a little time to do. So see how it is done. Lovely. Pepper, a bit of salt and a little bit of turmeric, not a lot because I have already done and kept for you. So now little by little you mix it nicely. I thought I won't be able to mix it, but I have already mixed it. Then I use a little corn flour into this. It's now like pastry. It looks like a pastry now. Too much I have put. This is the paste that I have done. Corn flour, bread, stock or milk with the pepper and salt, turmeric. See, this is the mixture, right? Now we will see what we are going to do, because I have already taken a bigger quantity and made for you so that it's easy to look at it. See how nice it looks now. You know what I am going to do now? Making it into balls. The balls that I make, I can make it into equal balls. Something different to the normal preparation, so you can see how it comes. It's all my version of it, so you can see how beautiful it looks. You can do like pastry, you can use this like pastry for any other preparation also. Breadcrumb, I need a little breadcrumb, so I will put that and keep it ready for it. Corn flour I don't need now. Corn flour is not necessary for us. The filling, egg filling. It's like cakes, we are doing like cakes. Just rolling in crumb, bread crumb. The reason I am rolling it in bread crumb is because I want this to be stir fried. So it should not take too much of oil on this. So because of that, I am putting the crumb, nicely roll it. Right. On the cooker, put oil. I told you that I am not deep frying, but I am putting a little oil, which will be enough to cover up. We are just stir frying this in a little oil. If you like, you can deep fry this also. No problem. If you like, you can deep fry, but I would prefer this to be stir fry. It has to get nice and golden color. Then only it will be nice. These are the bread cakes, shortcakes we call it. It looks. Serve with a little bit of sauce. In it. இது இருக்குல்ல $300 பார்த்துருக்கு. These bread shortcakes, once you do it, you can serve it as a tea time, or for children you can make this. You saw the bread dough that I had done it. You can make it and keep it in the fridge, and whenever you want you can take it and then make it into balls and put any filling you like, and then you can either deep fry or you can stir fry. Why you don't deep fry is because deep frying too much of oil goes in. Now here stir fry, of course it's okay, so that's left to you. Whatever you like you can do it and you can serve it. This is like pastry, but it's like a bread dough, corn flour and bread mixed together with the stock or milk, I said, and filling is anything that you want. So you can also try it out and see how it comes, because it is something very good, easy to do, and of course you will enjoy preparing, and your children also will love it. If you really see, they will love it too. If you make and give them tea time, when they come and ask, you can make it, or dinner time you can serve these bread shortcakes with a salad. That is also nice. So you can try it out and see how it comes, because all these preparations that I am doing, I hope you enjoy preparing this. And so next week I will come back with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.